just another boring day of being grounded.
Who are you? I am here to teach an important lesson.
Oh. Okay then.
Canoes are the best for trading through water. Speedboats too fast and cruise ships too big. Canoes are filled with lavender made out of wood. If you want to buy one, well, I think you should.
I teach you how to buy a canoe.
To buy a canoe, you gotta go to the store. But that's not all. Hold on, there's more. Pick out a canoe, one just for you, and buy it with the money you put.
I teach you how to buy a canoe.
Find a place to put the canoe and find where you'll ride to. Or you might just want to go fishing, but hold it, friend. You might go missing. As the skies turn black and it starts to rain, it will be a lot of pain. Adapa-doo-bop. You died while riding a canoe.